it can laminate about 2,000 pieces of 4x8 boards.
People are interested in why there are so many customers are interested in our PUR flat laminating lines. Actually, this line is suitable for all kinds of flat-based materials such as extruding board, wood board, metal boards. Obviously, with the advanced PUR adhesive technology, it can achieve strong and durable bondings. What's more, it can increase the productivity with our machine's high-speed bonding capabilities.
To make a conclusion, there are so many benefits with our PUR flat laminating line. First of all, it improves the product appearance, enhance the appearance and the durability of your products. Secondly, increase the efficiencies. Actually, this line can run 70 meters per minute, and with the 1 drum of 200 kilograms of PUR glue, it can laminate about 2,000 pieces of 4x8 boards. Third, versatility, suitable for various industries, including furniture, automotive, and construction. To discover how our PUR Life flat laminating machine elevates your production capability, please feel free to contact us. See you. Bye.